and welcome back to my channel. Alright, so my name is Kat, if you don't know, and today I wanted to do another conspiracy palette makeup thing. I'm going to get a few things before I started the video, some background about me really quick. Since this is a makeup video, just wanted to let you guys know, I'm not a makeup artist, nor am I qualified to be doing makeup or in any way. Like, the only experience that I have with makeup is just me doing it since I didn't even start doing it that early. I've been doing it since I was 16. Yeah. My point being, I'm not qualified in makeup at all. I'm just your average, ordinary girl here doing makeup for fun. Just like, I've watched a lot of videos. Doesn't mean I know anything, because I just would watch them for fun because I thought it was cool not to actually do the looks. Yeah, this is kind of like, if you like to wear makeup and don't think you're that great yet, and you need someone who's pretty average at makeup to teach you some things to help you get in, like, your confidence boost up, then I'm your girl. I'm the perfect girl for you to watch, because everything that I do, I'm sure you can do, because I'm not that good either. I'm not, like, a professional YouTuber, obviously. I have like 36 subscribers. Do I have a beauty light? No, I'll show you. I'll show you my little setup here. I have a camping LED light put up and my phone flashlight, and my tripod is a candle. So yeah, this is just me. My camera's nice because I'm a photographer. So that being said, I'm going to talk a little bit more, but we're going to get into the video. The next part is just me introducing what the video is about. I'm going to be comparing my everyday makeup eyeshadow look compared to using the conspiracy palette now. I'm not going to do a video of me doing my everyday makeup with my regular palette, so I'm wearing it right now. This is usually when I do wear makeup, which I don't do a whole lot. This is usually like the eyeshadow look that I go for. I don't know if this looks good or not. This is usually what I do. It's very basic. It's very like nude centered. So I use this palette, which I just got in March or April of this year, of 2019. It's a Tarte palette, and I really like it. I think it was like $36, I think. I don't remember. With that being said, I'm going to go take off this makeup, come back with my conspiracy palette, and try to recreate a similar look and my new everyday look now that I have this palette. I'm going to show you what I do. And I'm back. I am missing one of my eyeshadow brushes right now, too, so don't come at me for using the wrong brush in the wrong area. I literally only have like 2 brushes. So these brushes that I'm using, too, are very, very cheap brushes. I got these for Christmas one year that my mom, I think she paid $1 for these at Target or something. I think they might be e.l.f. I don't know. So I've had these for a really long time. These are not the brushes that I normally use, but like I said, I lost my brush. So let's open this baby up again. I'm just gonna go in with a base, and for my base I'm going to be using, let me see, Tanacon right there to put like all over my lid. But I'm just gonna go in with Diet Root Beer right here. If I can focus. The Diet Root Beer, I'm gonna start doing that kind of like in my crease. Put it like up in my crease. Like I said, I have no idea how to do makeup. I don't even know if this is like the right place to put it. This is just how I do it and what I think looks nice in my eyes. So I have kind of more of an almondy shaped eye. I just put that all up in that girl. Then what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go in with Just a Theory. Am I pointing at it? Is it in focus? Just a Theory. And what I'm going to do with this one is I'm going to put it on my lid, but I want to start more like in the middle of the lid and swipe back. I'm not going to go into the inner corner. Just like the middle and swipe back. So I'm going to take this Not a Fact shade. I'm going to put it in the outer corner of my eyes and then blend it into my eyes. So after I do that, I'm just going to go in with Ranch, and I'm just going to put that like right in my like inner corner. again, you don't need a lot. Like I literally dipped that, what, like 2 little light taps, and look how much is on my finger. I'm gonna take my flat brush again and just kind of go over everything. Make sure it's all put in together. What I did, instead of using eyeliner today, is I just took this end of the brush. There we go. You see how it's tipped like that? Oh yeah. I just use this to do it. So I'm gonna go with my right is here. This black. My right is here. I just kind of follow my right above my lash line, and I might have to dip it again twice, but like I said, just do it 2 little taps at a time. Just follow my lash line, and I always move it like towards the end of my eye, and I slowly creep into the corner. I think this is my new everyday look. I like it a lot better than the Tarte. Like the Tarte is really good, don't get me wrong. I use this every single day. Thought it was great. I mean, it is good. It's not a bad eyeshadow at all. I will say when I go in with the Tarte, I have to keep layering that on, especially like these are very light colors. They're very nudie. You can't really see them. This Conspiracy palette, it is amazing. But like I said, I don't have any experience with buying a palette that was like $52, and I saved my money up for this. Like I was ready, and it really is worth the money. It is so nice. I'll see you next time, I guess. I'll stop talking about how much I love this makeup because I can go on all night.